Imagine getting almost everything the iPhone 17 offers, but for hundreds of dollars less. A powerful A19 chip, a stunning 48-megapixel camera, MagSafe charging, a beautiful display, and even 256 GB of storage as standard. Well, Apple has officially introduced the new iPhone 17e, and it might be the smartest iPhone for people who want premium features without paying a premium price. The biggest reason people are talking about the iPhone 17e is simple. It gives you many of the same features as the iPhone 17 while keeping the price much lower. Starting at just $599, Apple is offering a phone that feels premium without emptying your wallet. That alone makes the iPhone 17e one of the most exciting smartphones of the year. Now let's start with the design. At first glance, the iPhone 17e looks clean, modern, and elegant. It features a strong aluminum frame and comes in three beautiful colors: black, white, and a brand new soft pink. Apple has added the new ceramic shield too, which offers 3 times better scratch resistance compared to the iPhone 16e. That means you don't have to worry as much about everyday scratches, accidental drops, or small bumps during daily use. Apple has also switched to USB-C, making charging much more convenient. The same cable can now charge your iPhone, iPad, and many other devices. Now let's talk about the display. The iPhone 17e features a gorgeous 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. Colors look vibrant, blacks are deep, and text appears incredibly sharp. Apple also added a new 7-layer anti-reflective coating, making the screen easier to see even under bright sunlight. Whether you're watching YouTube, scrolling through social media, or playing games outdoors, the display stays clear and comfortable to view. Security is also quick and easy with Face ID, while the customizable action button lets you instantly launch your favorite feature, like silent mode, translation, visual intelligence, or any shortcut you use most. Now let's move to performance, and this is where the iPhone 17 becomes even more impressive. Inside is Apple's latest A19 chip, the same generation powering the iPhone 17 lineup. Everything feels incredibly fast and smooth. Apps open instantly. Games run beautifully. Multitasking feels effortless. Video editing is quicker. And thanks to the new C1X modem, internet speeds are up to twice as fast as the previous iPhone 16e. Whether you're streaming videos, downloading files, making video calls, or playing online games, everything feels more responsive. The A19 chip is also extremely power efficient, helping deliver excellent battery life. Apple claims you can enjoy up to 26 hours of video playback, easily lasting a full day for most users. And when it's finally time to recharge, MagSafe wireless charging is finally here. Instead of the older 7.5-watt wireless charging, the iPhone 17e now supports 15-watt MagSafe charging. It also reaches 50% battery in around 30 minutes, using a 20-watt adapter or higher. Now let's talk about one of the most important upgrades, the camera. The iPhone 17e features a 48-megapixel fusion camera that combines 2 powerful camera experiences into one. Your photos come out sharp, colorful, and packed with detail. The built-in 2x telephoto zoom lets you get closer to your subject without losing image quality. Portrait mode is smarter than ever, creating beautiful background blur with just one tap. Night mode captures brighter and clearer photos even in very low light. And if you love making videos, you'll be happy to know the iPhone 17 records stunning 4K videos with impressive detail. Apple has also included the cleanup feature, making it easier to remove unwanted objects from your photos in just seconds. Storage is another huge improvement. The iPhone 17e starts with 256 GB of storage. That's double the storage of the previous iPhone 16e and 4 times more than the iPhone 12. That means more room for photos, videos, games, apps, and everything else you love without constantly worrying about running out of space. Finally, let's look at the smart features. The iPhone 17e runs iOS 26 with Apple Intelligence, making everyday tasks faster and easier. You also get 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi, eSIM support for easier travel, crash detection, messages via satellite, and even roadside assistance via satellite for extra peace of mind when you're in areas without cellular coverage. And because the phone supports MagSafe, you can easily attach wallets, chargers, stands, and many other magnetic accessories. Simply put, Apple has packed premium features into a much more affordable package. If you want flagship-level performance, a powerful A19 chip, an excellent 48-megapixel camera, long battery life, MagSafe charging, durable ceramic shield 2 protection, and 256 GB of storage, all without spending flagship money? Then the answer is a big yes. The iPhone 17e proves that you don't have to buy the most expensive iPhone to enjoy a premium Apple experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.